Today, we're going to build the Trade Federation droid control ship using 12 Lego pieces.
These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs.
Let's just go ahead and grab that Travis brick. Now, the big hole on the bottom of our Travis brick will be the bottom of our droid control ship. So let's make this our front stud. In the front stud, we're going to get a round 1x1 plate. And just put that round 1x1 plate right there on the stud. Next, we're going to grab one of these Technic ball joints, and we're going to put that right on top of that round plate we just made. Now there's the sphere of our control ship. Now we're going to put that down for a while and start building the sides. And to build the sides, we're going to grab one of these 1x4 arches or bridge pieces, and in the center with those two studs, we're going to get a 1x2 plate, and just put that 1x2 plate right on those center studs like this. And to make it more round, we're going to get one of those 1x4 slopes with no studs in the center and just put it right there on top, and now you kind of see that nice round shape we have. And what we're going to do is we're going to take that back hole and put it on the side stud of our Travis brick so that it kind of starts curving around. And we're going to do that 2 times. And I've already got this assembled to save time. You can stop the video or watch it again later to build your own, but just stick it on the other side and you kind of see the droid control ship taking shape. Now for the back, this is a little bit different. We're going to use this 1x4 slope with no studs in the center, but this time, instead of a plain 1x2 plate, we're going to get a 1x2 plate with something. I'm using a hinge plate. You can use a clip, one of those little ridges, whatever you want. You just want it to stick up a little bit because that's going to create the city that's kind of like on top of these droid control ships because they're not smooth on top. It's like this little city there. And you're just going to put that 1x2 plate right into the slope center like this. And once you got it down, the reason you have a 1x2 plate with something is because you see that little stud in the center. We're going to put that little stud in the center into the back hole of our Travis brick. So we just kind of put this together like this, and you can kind of see the droid control ship with like those little cities in the back. But we still need an antenna to control those droids. So what I'm going to use is this little claw piece and put it into the top hole of our Technic, our Travis brick, and just put it right there, kind of diagonal. Put it here. And now we've got the completed droid, Trade Federation droid control ship ready to blockade Naboo. You know, but is that legal? I'll make it legal.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, and you can click on the image to watch another video. Until next time, let's keep building together.